So it's been over a year since I started my YouTube channel and I have not made a classic daiquiri. Keep watching. So it's kind of crazy that the daiquiri is so simple to make, yet so many bartenders get it wrong. Okay, so today I'm going to do a classic daiquiri. Now, before you daiquiri purists turn around and say, oh, you shouldn't use sugar syrup in a daiquiri, that you should use actual granulated sugar. The reason that I use sugar syrup is I don't like any of those little bits of granulated sugar left in my daiquiri if it isn't shaken properly. So yes, I'm doing a little bit cheating in a way. However, it's all about getting that cocktail out to the customer or to your friends and having it taste perfect. So the first ingredient that I'm going to use is 60 mils of a white rum. Our house pour here at the 18th Amendment Bar is Bacardi, so that's what I'm using. Next up is 30 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. And last but not least, 15 to 20 mils, depending on your taste, of sugar syrup. Or if you're going to do it with the granulated sugar, just 1 bar spoon or a teaspoon of sugar. Now I'm going to do 20 mils because I'm a little bit on the sweet tooth side. Add some ice. Give it a really good shake. Okay. So another thing that I've seen people do is you can actually add some crushed ice to your shaker. It chills it down even colder. But at the moment it's about 6 degrees Celsius here in Geelong in Australia, and I don't need it to be that cold. So we're going to double strain into your cocktail glass. And for your garnish, I like to use just a lime wheel. And there you have a classic daiquiri. So let's give it a try. Cheers. You really can't beat it. That booze is shining through, the Bacardi, the sweetness. For me, 20 mils is my sort of sweet spot that I like there. The lime juice, that citrus is coming through. It's actually too easy to drink, considering it's only a 3-part drink. Predominantly it is the alcohol that's the main ingredient in it. Very hard to get right for some reason. Really have to shake it a fair bit and test your limes as well, believe it or not. I tested the lime juice previously. Some days your limes are different to the others. They could be sweeter or more sour. But yeah, look, I really love it. This is my #1 rum cocktail. I'm not going to pour this out, I'm going to drink it. So guys, cheers, like, subscribe, please. We love all your feedback. Write a comment. How do you like your daiquiri? We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.